everyone, welcome to the VTCT, the Vine Sauce Toys Crash Testing. And today we are going to be testing the Mercedes ML class. Today we are going to be doing rollovers. And also we're going to be using a marble for this crash testing today, like a crash test dummy. As you could see, in the middle of the rollover, the passenger or the marble just got flung out. This, so far, has gotten a poor rating. As you can see in the video, in the middle of the roll, one of the doors actually opened for a split second and flung the passenger or the marble out again. Time for test 3. When impact right here, the door of the Mercedes ML class actually opened and flung the marble or passenger into the air, into the wall. So overall, this car gets a poor rating because each time the passenger got flung out of the car. Alright everyone, hope you like this video. If you want me to do a video about a crash test on like one of these cars, then tell me in the comments below. Alright, anyways, bye.